reunion pala to.
Diyan din yung isang dating tag-5.
Thank you so much.
Where the National Cybersecurity Plan is taking us under the theme of this portion, driving
assets directly. Assets that are vulnerable and sitting within networks that are not well protected. And we're seeing that here more than ever before.
Our streets or our border. I'm trying to summarize that in 40 minutes. So, my name is Asad Iqbal. I've been in the industry over 20 plus years.
Right? So I got the password from the NAP ID. So
Consequence is not convenience. It's a delayed surgery.
I may not be the correct person for building management system, but I'm the very correct person.
Oh, my incident immediately. The resolution is going to be fast.
in your book. But this is where the threat actors are using it, discovery, reconnaissance. Who am I? Some
Grabe naman yung goals na yun.
discovery methods. But in this one,
Dami matitirang t-shirt.
Oo nga, tara. Magtanong tayo.
Muna, wala pa naman nag-aantay. Kailangan ko lumabas ng BTC ng mga mahirap mag-book na mga pag-book.
I actually have a lot of
Mali ka doon.
fruits on my plate. Over here.
Kuha mas pero din.
So, the summit is already done. Ay, English spoken dollar na naman siya. Hindi, tapos na po yung summit. So, inaantay na lang po namin yung aming service pa uwi. Hi guys. Hi daw. Actually, bye-bye na. Bye!